Hey everybody, it's Mayor Joe Konrad. We're here today at Benson Super Lube, and I'm here with Talon Palmer, who owns and operates Benson Super Lube. And Talon's going to tell us a little bit about Super Lube, what you have to offer, and why you're here.
Yeah, so we took over, me and my brother, about a year and a half ago, in March of last year. And we do all things tires. We offer oil changes and all things car maintenance. And so we're just excited to support the community.
Well, great. And you and Brayden grew up around here.
Yes, yeah. So we are second full generations of Benson people. My grandpa actually grew up in Safford, and he moved here and raised his family here in Benson. So me and Brayden, graduated from Benson High School, and like I said, we're just excited to give back to the community that built us.
Well, great. And you talk about Benson High School. You wouldn't happen to be a football coach, would you?
I do. I'm the offensive coordinator here at Benson High School, and we're pretty excited about this upcoming season. And we're getting ready to get rolling here in the next couple weeks. Like I said, we've got a scrimmage here, actually in Phoenix, a week from Friday, and then 2 weeks from Friday we've got our first football game. So we're pretty excited about that.
Good stuff. So there you have it, a family business right here in Benson that also the family participates in helping make this a great community to live in. And we sure appreciate what you do out there on that football field,
yes, sir.
as well as what you do here at Super Lube.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, everybody, once again, Benson Super Lube down here on 4th Street, and we'll see you next time for Monday with the Mayor.